welcome back.
Cheers, cheers, cheers.
I can't believe I'm saying I'm going to Paris today. It's just crazy. I just can't believe it. We've both never been, so this is
We've never been to Europe.
Yeah, we've never been to Europe before this. So like the fact that I'm like, oh, I'm going to Paris, by the way, like
so casually. We just
so
planned
casually.
This, how long ago?
Like a week and a half ago we planned this.
Yeah, literally.
So we're going to Paris. We're going today at 5:30 to the airport. Our flight's at 8. We get in at like 10. And then we leave Sunday at like 5. So we have a good few days. We're going with us, our friend Megan, Julia, Sydney, and Ariel. And I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you like the Airbnb and like, oh my god, I'm so excited. But I wanted to start this before we packed because I wanted to show you like what we're bringing.
Wait, tell them our bag stitch.
Okay, so basically,
Rat.
to add a carry-on to the flight, it's like an extra $100.
Yeah.
And we know we're gonna be flying everywhere a lot, like not wanting to pay for carry-ons because it's gonna be a constant thing. So this is what we're dealing with
For a whole weekend.
3 days in Paris. Like, oh yeah, we're planning every single outfit to the T, every accessory. It has to happen. Yeah. Okay, I'll update you later. Yeah. So last time you saw me, we didn't even pack yet. We know we're packing. We didn't know if it was gonna fit, but we have it all, and it's right here. It's like actually crazy that I could fit all of this in this little bag. Really exciting. Just vlogging.
Just blew up my hair.
Cute.
I was getting better at it.
That's Katie's. It's Katie's bag. I was just showing like what could fit, but obviously I was like friends with him too. And like we were. Yes, 13.75. Oh my god. It's like late though to be at a cafe. So exciting.
I feel like we should think of her like bye. Like the one.
How are you feeling, Meg?
Bye, girl. Like
Good. Boo.
I'm actually so pissed. Like I need 100 hours to be traveling around.
It's giving Chanel.
It's giving Chow Chow.
Our Airbnb, the name of it is Coco Chanel. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Guys, oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
Don't do it.
Guys, this is so cute. We just spent 30 minutes, thank you, 30 minutes opening this freaking door. Now we're finally in. I like fell into this apartment. Me and Ariel.
That was literally the best thing that ever happened.
Oh my god. Okay, this is an apartment tour of our Airbnb in Paris. I'm so excited. Okay.
Oh my.
This is our door that we couldn't get open for like 30 minutes. Bathroom 1. It's called the Coco Chanel apartment. So this is it.
That is so slay.
Little Coco Chanel. This is one room. They have a single, double. Oh my god, guys. Boosh. Shampoo, conditioner, slay.
Oh, she doesn't want to leave alone. And I'm not gonna cut, I swear.
Oh my guys.
So happy for Coco Chanel.
Okay guys, basically
That was stressful.
we were standing outside the, I'll explain. Standing outside the apartment, 30 minutes. Each one of us tried this key maybe for 10 minutes straight. Called Airbnb host, didn't answer for like 10 minutes. Okay, so finally I put my bag down and I'm like, guys, I'm getting us in this apartment. I will be here for 10 minutes if I have to. Like, I'm gonna get us in. I'm so aggressive with the key. I'm like, guys, I think we're either not pushing hard enough or we're just idiots. And so I think it has to rotate 3 times here, I think, or this door, because there's a top, middle, and bottom lock. I rotated twice, and I was like, why do I feel a 3rd lock? Because we each like got it twice, and then we would like turn it back, because like we didn't know why it wasn't opening. I get the 3rd one, and then I like push it so hard, like fall into the apartment, and we all start screaming. It was so funny. But it was just so stressful and really annoying. But we're here, which is really fun, and I'm really excited. I'm literally obsessed. This is so cute.
I'll do it simultaneously.
The buckles. Why is it so dramatic?
It's such like 4-year-old vibe.
It's a lot. Like,
Whoa.
makeup, toiletries,
Wait, I'll do this part first.
Yeah, how do you leave like
sweater.
5 toiletries? I'm so confused.
Sure that I wore to our center today.
I wrote a bucket hat too.
Makeup,
Going out tops,
toiletries.
sweater.
Which I think I'm gonna put it all on the floor.
Wait, you actually did fit a lot.
Yeah,
And then like
You have 1 bottle of.
one.
Then you have all your electronics and your 1 headband. Then you have your adapter. Then you have 1 sweater, 2 sweater, 1 pant, 2 pant, 1 going out top, 1 going out dress, 1 turtleneck sweater, no sleeves, 2 basics,
Wow, what the
And a pair of shoes, guys.
gloves, and a pair of shoes. This is
Let me
crazy.
see. Are they
Like,
like
Loki, this fits a
And
lot.
then I put my underwear and my socks in there, which is kind of gross, but I had to.
You had to. There's actually a hidden bathroom in here. So nice.
I really need to get my contacts now.
Right now it's like 2 a.m.
Yeah.
We're waking up at 9, so gonna go to bed soon. We'll see you tomorrow in Paris.
Watching Betty. Yeah. Oh wait. Bonjour.
Bonjour, bonjour.
This is like great. Oh hi. Yeah, it's okay. You're fine.
Mrs. Maggie Mag.
Hi.
The Airbnb will never respond.
We're all here. I don't know where we're planning. I think we want to go to the Louvre. Well, first we're going to a cafe. Get some coffee. It's actually not that cold out. Like, I'm not like super freezing. I just wish it was sunny, which sucks, but
Yeah.
Are you vlogging?
yeah.
She is.
What are you gonna do about?
Aw, cute.
It's delish, actually.
Better than Roma.
Reviews?
Guys, this croissant's amazing.
So good. It's
Amazing. What'd you get?
I do not know.
Okay. Hi! So excited! We were just talking about how pretty the city is. We were saying how everyone had like opinions on the city, but like I think it's like beautiful. Like, I do too. Don't look down, Marissa. Oh, I get so nervous. To Paris! We're just so excited to be here. We're seeing the Mona Lisa, and I think I'm like I'm already starstruck, and I haven't even seen it yet.
I know.
Like I'm not an art person, but can appreciate it.
I'm so excited, you guys.
I'm so excited.
Can't be an art major. I'm not gonna leave.
Oh my gosh! Wow, this is crazy. Oh my god, gorgeous! Oh my god, I don't know either, guys. I'm so.
Where do we go?
Wow.
Where all those people are standing.
This is crazy. So happy.
This is so big.
Flore. It's so bad. 정말 뭘로 잡아야 돼? This is
Don't touch. Don't touch.
this is insane. Okay, this way. Up. No, not that. Down. Down. Stop. Up a little. Stop. Yeah. I think we're gonna take pictures here. Then, what are we doing? Getting lunch.
Then we're going towards the Eiffel Tower. Oh, and then we're gonna go to the gardens.
Oh, the gardens are right behind us, and then Eiffel Tower. So,
Up more.
just rotate, like move the camera.
Oh, okay. Yay! Wait. Wait.
Does anyone want to take a stupid photo, one on each side?
Oh, I did. Yeah.
You guys got it perfect. Look.
Super horribly.
Like, you guys really got it. Really got it.
Shut up.
Okay, ready, Matt.
Hold on, guys. They don't have French onion soup now, but I think I'm gonna get steak because I think it's supposed to be good with their steak and fries.
Can you get like a side dish on this?
Steak frites. What are you guys getting?
Sandwich, half like steak frites. I could do that.
You're such a half-sea girl.
I am such a half-sea girl. And I'm not mad about it. I'm so here for it. I think I would think differently without the blonde.
Okay, we just had a great lunch. Steak, frites. First time I had steak in a really long time. Really good. Now we're heading to the Eiffel Tower. Gonna get some dessert there. Just walk around and see it. We want to see it at night tomorrow. That's insane. Fucking insane. Oh my god. I knew it was gonna be so close. Holy shit. This ugly tree. We turn the corner. Turn the corner. Boom! It's like right there. I'm like,
Merci beaucoup. Thank you so much. Okay.
they're so cute, guys.
So much. You're welcome. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. Let me see the one you got.
Oh, that's so sweet.
What?
Oh my gosh.
Wait, I don't see
I have coins.
Oh my god, this is so cute.
So cute. Yay. Just to have it on.
Yeah.
Yeah. In the background.
Here, pass me that remote.
Here, these are the keys.
Oh, those are
Oh,
ours
I
for
was
school.
gonna say, that is not the keys.
That doesn't make
We're back, getting ready for the night.
We're friggin' that, boys.
We're getting ready for the night. I'm gonna freshen up my makeup just a tad and then recurl my hair, I think. Oh yeah, our goal is to have
And creme brulee and macarons.
Our goal is to have escargot, creme brulee,
Macarons.
macaroons. What else? French onion soup.
Wait, what is this
all of
thing
it.
for?
I think I need a little water before we go out.
Okay, I want to see you take a shot. I think you just hold it down in there. Okay, Wait, Julia has it. Okay, ready?
Wait, how do you drink it? Julia, what do you do?
Okay, ready? Oh my god.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hello vlog. We're out on the streets again on my phone. But this time we're in Paris. Oh my god, right now we're going to go to get a bottle of wine to bring to the Eiffel Tower.
Many bottles.
To see it sparkle. We don't know if we're gonna make it, but just gonna hope, I guess. But our dinner was amazing.
We had escargot and French onion soup and creme brulee.
And all the French things you can ask for. It was actually like insane. But
It's honestly pretty cheap too.
Like-
It's so good.
yeah, it was only like €30 each, which honestly for a main course, an appetizer, a split appetizer, a dessert, and a drink, not bad. Oh my gosh. Hey, hey, hey.
Clothes don't make women naked.
Hey guys.
They didn't. Where's my wine? Where was our wine? Size. Yeah.
So much better and just so much cooler and so much better. Was it video? There's no,
I don't know.
Oh yeah. And then
oh, Notre Dame.
let's see. I don't know if I can see.
The luck. Somebody. They're literally not.
Didn't really start off this vlog this morning because fighting for my life a little bit. But yesterday was really fun. I didn't vlog a whole lot, but we went out to get like this really like nice French food, and it was like.
Are you gonna put pictures? Did you vlog?
Yeah, I did like a little bit. We got like French onion soup, escargot, Caesar salad.
Then we went and got cheap wine.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And then we went to the Eiffel Tower.
Yeah. Basically, we went to the Eiffel Tower thinking that it was gonna go sparkle at.
We had a whole
12
plan
because everyone kept saying it turns off at 1 and it's the first 5 minutes of every hour. So we thought it was gonna sparkle at 12, got there like 11:20, saw it lit up for like 20 minutes, then just goes out. We're like,
at 11:45.
11:45, we're like, oh, it probably will sparkle at 12. Maybe it's just warming up.
It's conserving energy before we go.
It's conserving energy before it sparkles. No, it just turns off at 11:45 to conserve energy now.
As of 2022.
Yeah, as of 2022. Like it's like a pretty new thing that we didn't know about. So you saw us with the bottles and everything, and then we kind of went back.
And then we went to try to go to a speakeasy type bar.
It was like a speakeasy. It was like, it looked like a grocery store. Then you walk through, and then it turned into like a bar.
Really? Yeah, I remember a scene of her like just sitting here.
Where are we right now? Oh wow, we have. So I want to go to like those.
That's all the problem. I know.
We just had. Oh, what is this? Oh my god. Oh my god. We went to Cafe de Flore. What is it?
Cafe de
Flore. We heard a lot of recommendations about it, and
very, like,
sadly,
Instagrammable.
I don't recommend it. It is super overpriced. Our dinner yesterday, phenomenal for like cheaper, and all Katie got was literally a soup, and she paid like €25.
No, I paid like $20 today, or $5.
But
for the taxi last night.
Really don't recommend it. It is really like pretty, but we did sit upstairs, so it just looked like an American diner kind of. Yeah, very mid. But I'll put in the description like the restaurant we went to yesterday. It was amazing. I highly recommend that place. It was actually phenomenal.
Big trout mamas.
Oh, nice. Miss Ivy looking stunning.
Let's do that.
We're back. We have our baguettes and our bottle of wine, and we're on the way to see the Eiffel Tower sparkle. Okay. Bonsoir.
The Eiffel Tower. Say it.
You have to say.
Yeah, so the Eiffel Tower. We are actually going to the Eiffel Tower tonight and we'll see if it turns on yet. The sparkle hot. That's the way that we want them to. Not like it was yesterday. It was big disappointment.
Dude. Oh my god, that was really good. But we're literally like power walking because it's 7:20. Oh, there she is.
Stunner.
It's 7:20 and we're still like 10 minutes away. So we really want to make it so we can like obviously take pictures and like videos and stuff while it's going on. Oh my god, so pretty. We're still on a mission. We're going to the spot over there. Cause we were there yesterday. It's so pretty. There's a lot more people here though, which makes sense, but. And we're back! We made it! How is it? Not bad? Not bad?
Not bad.
Oh, fun.
Not bad.
We're back, guys! Someone close to me. Three, two, one. Yeah! So cool! It's sparkling in 1 minute.
That's what I think I need to stare at.
I feel like you were like, I feel like you should prop it, and then we just run around. Yeah. I'm gonna do that once I get it. Yeah. Purr. Moment of gratitude. Oh, I can just stare at this forever.
Fuck I am.
Oh
my god.
Justice. Get it? You're ruining our moment.
Oh my god.
Okay, done with the video. Oh my god. Guys, get in the video. Okay. Good cool. Should we all just turn it in mine? I think I want to turn it in my conscience. She's gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Not the drone.
Go dance, go dance. Oh, oh my god. Oh, it's so cheesy.
Oh, it's done. Alright. Hey!
We're all sitting on one bench.
At the moment.
This is the best seat I've ever sat in my life.
Imagine a Be Real right now. Kidding me?
Wow. This is such a great angle. Cindy just had a sappy moment.
Be real right now. I'm Be Real.
Very good.
I bought this for $5 on
Yes,
someone
very
here,
good, very
so.
good. Maybe next time you buy for store, okay?
Okay. We did buy from the store.
did.
That's exactly what we did. We bought it from a store.
After maybe I charge for 35, 20, 25, 3, 4 customers.
Okay.
Bad customers, very good luck.
Well, good for you. I hope you get some good customers. It just won't be us.
I think I'm peeking.
Oh my gosh.
And I really don't want to go home or to Rome.
I don't want to
I love it here.
I just want to stay here forever.
Me too.
I just want to stay in France. My home. My home is where I belong.
We just met a friend. He's also from California by himself.
We're gonna go out with him tonight.
We invited him out with us.
Super
fun.
I have to get it.
Your bag
Ow.
You've already deleted your mural twice.
Mine is just not on the time.
It's the real ratatouille.
It's Remy.
There's a rat back there. Remy, come on. There it is. Oh my god, it's right there. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I throw up.
It's the real life ratatouille. You can make fun of him. You know everything he went through.
I can't stop videoing this because it's insane.
Canceling.
That's me drinking my wine.
Like if I
already
get it.
rush in to pee. Go pee, go pee, go. Our Uber driver was so rude. We're back. We are going out.
What?
I'm gonna vlog my phone a little bit tonight. It's gonna be really fun. I hope you enjoyed our day in Paris. It was literally the best thing ever. We met new friends and we're going out with them. I'm really excited. But yeah, I'm gonna switch my phone. I think tonight we're going to a club
Called starts with a T.
I'm gonna link, if you don't know, I link everything in the description, what we do, restaurants, clubs, bars, everything. If you're studying abroad, if you're visiting the city, everything. So if it helps, I hope it does. I'm gonna go switching to my phone, gonna get ready, and I'll see you guys out.
Here's a picture off to the club.
In the middle of Paris.
I just made the height. The rest is yours.
That's a really cool spot.
You said something that you know is funny and that no one knows is That's the best combo.
This is the best thing I've ever had in my entire life. Okay. Seriously, like it's
Wait, I think I should probably eat this first. Hazelnut's really good.
Chocolate really good.
Vanilla's really good.